Hi, boys and girls. Please put your name at the top of your paper. Okay, so today on this side, we only have 4 numbers that are missing. But as we go during the week, there's going to be more numbers missing every single day. So I want you to look at the first row and see if you can decide what number is missing. It's pretty easy because it's the number that comes after 1. So what number comes after 1? 2. So 2 is missing. Now let's look at the next row. We go 6, 7, 8. So what number is missing? It's 9. And then 10. And then what number comes on the next row before 12? It's 11. Very good. And then we have one more missing on the bottom row that comes between 17 and 19. So it goes 16, 17, then what? 18. Good. So that's pretty easy. Tomorrow when you see your worksheet, it's going to have more numbers missing than just those. Okay, so let's turn it over. Now on this side, we are using our number line to help us find the answers to these problems. So on each of the problems, we're going to start by circling the bigger number. So the bigger number is 4. So circle 4 and then count ahead 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. And I landed on 7. Okay, so on the next one, I want you to circle the bigger number, which is 8. Put your pencil on 8 and count this many. It's 2. 1, 2. So when we do that, what number do we land on? 10. Good. Okay. On the next one, we have 5 plus 3. So circle 5 and count ahead 3. So we'll start on 5 and count 3. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is 8. Okay. The next one is 6 plus 1. So our bigger number is 6. So we put our pencil on 6 and we hop 1 spot and it goes to 7. All right. We're going to keep going and we're going to circle 3 and count ahead 2. So here's 3. Let's go 2 spots. 1, 2. And that lands us on 5. Good job, boys and girls. We're doing great. On the next one, we have 5 plus 2. So which one is the bigger number? 5's the bigger number. So I put my pencil on 5, and I'm going to hop 2 spots. 1, 2. And I land on 7. Our next 2 numbers are 4 and 4. Since 4 and 4 are the same, we will just start our counting by going to 4, and then we'll hop 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we land on 8. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, so here's the deal. You have 3 more problems left. 1, 2, 3. I want you to push pause on your video and try them yourself, and then check your answer with mine. Now, it's really important that you don't cheat and just watch the video to get the answer, because if you just cheat, then you don't try and you don't learn how to do the work. So push pause and try those 3 problems, and when you're finished, push play and check your answer with mine. So go ahead and push pause. Okay, so for 7 plus 3, what was your answer? It's 10. Very good. And 4 plus 5, what did you get? 9. Very good. And 2 plus 6, so what did you get? 8. Nice job. Very good job today, boys and girls. Nice work.